Sige nga eh.
Hello? Wow. What a big room for myself. Sus, I'm by myself, but why is it 2 beds? My goodness, kiddos. The good thing is there's a Holy Bible right here. Good. Thank you, family. It's really a happy Mother's Day for me. I'm here. Thank you so much, guys. I love it and I love you all. Nakakamiss naman kayo. Miss you all. And I love it. I love this. You don't need to do this, but I'll take it back. I love it. Thank you, mga anak. Love you. Thank you so much, honey. It's my payday, the Mother's Day. So, I will enjoy it. Thank you, honey. I'm so excited when I got here. I'm happy. Thank you so much, family. I love you.